Some of my family and friends have the Switch, and we're just tired of the flexing feeling. This flexing feeling. Doesn't really bug me, but as Christmas presents come along, I'm like, hey, I could buy it and try it out and then package it. So this is the one I went with. The outside is misleading, I think, compared to what it really is. But I want to see if if it's built well, if it's built better than what the standard stuff is for the Switch. Link will be in the description below. It does go on sale. I got it for $39 US. I don't know what kind of prices it goes around or what it will be in your area. What's this thing? Save this card, get free user support. Hopefully it's kind of self-explanatory. The OLED. Installing should be a simple breeze. Connection method. Turbo function. I'm going to read that later. Actually, I got to show you guys. Sorry. If you guys want to read that, pause it, screenshot it. It even has vibration in it. I didn't really look. It's just the one I've been wanting for quite a while, and then somebody said they needed one. So I was like, might as well buy it to see if I'll like it. And we're into a different language. Good. Done with that. Whew, that took a little bit out of me. We have a split here. Two USB-Cs. I don't know what that is. Quality certified. Oh, nice. Look at that. It has a little scrunchie around it so that doesn't get used on the way. It does have a nice feel. Connect to the host. I'm thinking I just slide it in. It does something. We shall see. Has game cartridge holder area in the back. Up to 4 of your games. Looks like there's a lock there so it doesn't come out. You see it just kind of stabs in from the side. Have variable triggers on the bottom. Immediate ones there. Light buttons. A sell button. This is model B01. Phillips screwdrivers in case you got to tear it apart. I do like them having this little scrunchie over it. Which that's almost good to put in the car like that too, if that would stay on there. Getting good feel off of that. Them buttons feel cheap, but I think it'll still work. Both click in really good. See what happens when you slide a Switch into it. There's the port right there. I have a Switch OLED. It's the white one that first came out when they brought out OLEDs. OLEDs, I'm sure. Oh, it's a nice fit. Oh, it lets you charge it at the same time. So that's just an alignment pin in there. Actually feels like it goes out. Hold on, let me lock them in. What is that even going into? That one can't even lock. Did I find a flaw? It's going into that little notch right there on both sides. That one goes in pretty far. The other one don't. Can I still get to my game card? Not really. It won't let that hinge up all the way. That's a problem. Let's see if it does anything. So you gotta set it up, which is fine. Lights are on. Short. Can you guys see that? Yeah. Why'd they shut off? Okay, we're going to use their wire. It's wanting you to connect it like this. I was following the rule. Okay, I guess we gotta go over. Hey Google, turn on my switch. We're gonna be taking it over to the dock. It did have a little warning saying you need to do this. So it's blinking at me right here. I think it's pretty dead. Let's try one other thing. Unplugging that. Getting my switch out of there somehow. Oh, it's locked. Are them locks really that look good? They are. Holy cow. Can't explain about them locks. Okay, now I'm going to put this in here. They should sync up. Guess I gotta get my TV on. This is such an awful video. I'm sure someone will be like, oh, you helped me set it up. I'm on my TV going to wherever it's at. I don't know which input it's on. Okay. Plugged it in. It's kind of weird that it's not. Guess I'll have to figure that out this off air. Sorry guys, I'm not like most where I pre-open everything and then read the instructions and then act like I knew it from the top of my heart. So what you have to do is get on your switch, as I have it plugged in and everything. Click on change group. It won't even let me click it now because I've already done it. Change group order with a different device. Have this plugged in like this, and under change group order you want to hold this home button right here for a couple seconds, and then it'll start blinking red, and then just spam all these buttons and it connected right up. And now we should be able to pull this out. This was also only a quarter full of battery, but now this thing should be all programmed. Yeah, look at that. It's a lot bigger. Feels like a Steam Deck, really. I actually like how big it is. Everything's working. I actually like how that comes back. Let's see if the different light modes. So there's blue, and it looks better through the camera than it does in real life. There's dim, doing a few different things. Will it work with this off? How did it know? Will this actually turn it on? That's a problem with some. Yeah, so you still gotta use this. Nintendo products, that will actually turn it on. Oh, I got it that time. So you gotta spam it. So this thing, when you push that button, it's totally off. But if I spam that, Yeah, that's a lot of work to get that going. Easier, just press the stop button. So let's go through the colors. It has a lot. I'm pushing this button a lot. I'm not going through a whole breathing cycle with this. That one's nice. Oh, the blue's nice too. I don't know if any of them react with the game. Some of these are really nice colors. Oh, look at that. Oh, I accidentally hit the button. That's off. So it has one cool one. One that's awesome. I actually like this breathing. Looks like about 20 different ones. I want that last one. That last one, yeah, there we go. Look at that. I'm gonna leave it on there for the next person. And the buttons I was using to do all that are on the back. You got M and SR, MR, and this one right here does your light, and then that's another SL button and an ML button. Pretty cool. I think it feels pretty good for what it is. I think it's a little bit overpriced. I think it's about $25 because it actually separates out now. I don't know if you guys can see that. And how crazy kids can be on these things. Yeah, hopefully that helps somebody out there. I was always wondering if it was good quality. I think it's pretty good quality. I think if you dropped it, it would actually survive. And it protects pretty well. So, yeah, hopefully that helps somebody out. Thanks for watching.